Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. All of us love tranquility. So today, let's paint something which will leave a soothing effect on your mind. So all we need is a 4" by 4" canvas, a round brush and a flat brush. We'll be using acrylic paints. So the colors we need are black, yellow, crimson, Prussian blue and white. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I've just made a basic outline of what we're going to paint. So those are mountains and the sun. So outlining helps us while we're painting. Now let's start with the sky. So that's light blue. You mix Prussian and a little bit of white and that's the color you get. Now that's orange. You mix crimson and a little bit of yellow to it. Now blue again. We just smudge it lightly using a flat brush. Now on the left, I've mixed white with a little bit of black. So that's the greyish tone you get. Now again, I've used orange, but I've mixed a little bit more of white to it. That's very light blue. So blue, add a lot of white to it. So just shades here and there of blue color. Now that's orange again. A little bit of white and you just smudge it. That's yellow. So just add shades of it here and there. This is Prussian blue again, but here less of white color. So you get a darker version of blue. So the same thing on the left side. Now that's grey again. Light blue on the right. Wow, our sky looks beautiful. Here, I've used grey and a mixed little bit of blue to it. Now here, it's orange again, but here, less of yellow, more of crimson. So a darker version. Make sure you leave that circle for the sun. Just slightly merge it. Now for the mountains, it's Prussian blue. So it's direct Prussian blue, we haven't mixed anything to it. So here, as you can see, we've just used 3 primary colors, black and white, and we can generate any amount of colors with it. That's again Prussian blue and a little bit of white. Orange on the left, and you slightly merge it with the blue, so that's the tone you get, the purplish orangish tone. That's Prussian blue again over there. Now light blue. Now we go on to a further light blue. Now here, to get a greenish and bluish tint, I've just mixed a little bit of yellow to our Prussian blue. That's the light blue which we were using, and that's the greenish tint you get. So I'm just adding a lighter version of the same color over there. That's light orange. Now again, we've used Prussian blue. Now for the second tone, we've taken Prussian blue, mixed a little bit of black to it. So we just apply this color in the areas where we require the darker shade. So here you can see both the shades, the lighter one as well as the darker one. So using a thin round brush makes it even more easier. So again, here also on the left, we're using Prussian blue. First a lighter version and then we'll go on to the dark one. Yeah, so we've started using the dark tone now. Just gently move your brush. The best part about acrylics, it dries up quickly. And plus the colors are so vibrant and so attractive. That's orange over there. I'm just smudging it with a little bit of white. Light blue again. This is the greenish bluish tint, so Prussian blue, white and a little bit of yellow. Little bit of Prussian blue over there.